Got my last solution of phenyl acetate. Let's melt it down. Alright, it's pretty melted down. Let's take a look at the crystallization process in a hot scenario. So imagine this being like, oh no, Hawaii, where the rock is crystallizing around lava, which is hot, right? So we'll see how long it takes to crystallize and what the crystals look like afterwards. So it's hard to tell. There's a lot of condensation around the solution itself. But, if you kind of look to the side there, it's creating very, very fine, basically particles. Very fine particles of crystals are forming. Very unique, very fine for each specific spot. But that's around the edge, the more room temperature part. Still hasn't melted right in the middle there where mainly the heat is coming from, in the middle of that beaker. We remove the condensation. All that water. You can see that it's finally, we can actually start seeing those crystals, and those crystals forming. We just had to remove the condensation because that makes it really hard to see. But it looks like very, I don't know, almost more glass-like, right, in its formation. Same at room temperature, more glass-like here. It's crystalline formation. Some crystals being formed, but more glass. And then here, almost solid crystals formed. Almost no glass, but solid crystals. Yes, crystals formed here, but they're much less defined than in the other scenarios. And if we poke it around, we'll see that it is in fact solid, although it looks like ice. Alrighty, well, that right there is igneous rock formation, and so we're going to talk about what that actually means.